Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Grady-White 330 Express. The outside hull color is sea glass green. This boat does have the underwater light option as well. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 425s. As we come through the transom door, you'll see a hot and cold freshwater sprayer. A very large refrigerated fish box. Bait prep. Down below you've got your dual battery switches, raw water and fresh water. This does have the cockpit dive door and the very large transom seat that folds down. So make our way through the boat. You'll have a live well here, lure storage. Over on the port side, you'll have hot and cold sink and 3 lockable drawers. Coming through, you've got storage for tackle. Up here at the helm, you'll see the AV2 top with an opening roof, storage net for all your life jackets, electronics box. This is the new joystick for 21 with the total maneuverability and the built-in autopilot. Fusion stereo, wireless charging pad for your phone, and also a seakeeper. This does have a opening vent window. Make your way down into the cabin. Here when you come in, you've got your helm air conditioning and your cabin air conditioning, and both of your cockpit coolers. Microwave, 2-burner stove, sink, a television, refrigerator, bathroom. This will also lower to make another small bed as well. This concludes the walkthrough